electric wipers is a big deal.
Is this electric on this?
No, that's a little vacuum line up top there.
Yeah.
All right, so this is a 66 American Wagon. I'm sorry, 69 American Wagon. You can see there's a little bit of mess in the grill, but it's straight enough to drive the car. It is a manual steering car, 6-cylinder cross member. Battery box is still in good shape, just surface rust. Hood's a little stiff, but all it needs is some oil. And transmission is in place. No idea what shape it's in. In the back of the car, there are pieces to a 6-cylinder head, and I think that means that it's was originally a 6-cylinder. That and the cross member kind of give it away. There's the serial number. In case you can't read it, it's A8A085B347428. The B being the motor digit would indicate a 232 cubic inch 6. The original hubcaps are there on the right side. I don't know about the left side. There they are, they're all there. Interior's a little tough, but it's all there, with the exception of the armrest for the driver's door. All the glass is intact. There's a hole in the floor here, and there's a smaller one on the right hand side of the car, but otherwise there does not seem to be any rust that's really significant. You can see the back seats folded down here. There's a starter laying in here, a 1-barrel carburetor. It looks like a couple headlight buckets, an oil pan, the cam and the head for the 232 along with a timing cover. The way this back end of this car is sitting down, hell, there might be a head or two sitting underneath the floor compartment. There's some Bondo in the corner here and a missing taillight. The 440 trim for the back of the car is in place, and the winder handle for the tailgate is in place, and the tailgate is clean. You notice the bumper's got a ding over on the passenger side. Could be straightened. The rack is in actually pretty good shape with some pitting. All the roof strips and tie down cleats are there. Oh, P.S. It does not have the SST style steering wheel with wood, but it does have the 3-spoke with the three horn buttons on it. And a recording.